Having this for your breakfast before starting your day will make your day look beautiful and lovely. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this plantain beef frittata. It looks so easy and delicious and lovely at home. Let's dive in this video. Making this, I'm going to be needing ripe plantain, and here is the plantain I will be using. Over here I have 3 plantain. I'm just going to clean up the plantain. I will just season the plantain with a little bit of salt. Then I will mix everything together and then keep the plantain aside. Next ingredient I will be needing is beef. Over here I have a beef. I will just chop it in a biteable size because I'm going to be grinding the beef before I will make use of it. I will just add it in my blender, then blend with a little bit of water. After blending, I will just add it inside a clean bowl, then season with my seasoning cube. Over here I have ginger paste, garlic paste, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, salt to taste, and dried tomato. So I will just spray a little bit of it and stir together. Mix until everything gets combined. Next ingredient I'll be adding is egg. So I make use of 6 eggs. I'm just going to break all of it inside the mixture, then mix everything together. Now I will add in 1 medium size of chopped onions, then stir together. Next ingredient I'm going to be needing is yellow and red bell pepper. So I'll just cut a little bit of it, then chop it in a biteable size. This is how it looks after slicing. This is what I have. I will keep it aside. Over here I have a frying pan. I will just add in a little bit of oil, then turn in the mixture inside the frying pan. Next I will be adding is plantain. So now I will just add in the plantain on top of the mixture, then add in some chopped hot pepper and add in the red and yellow bell pepper that I slice. Then cover and let this to cook for 15 minutes. Before 15 minutes your food is ready. So after 15 minutes I have to bring it. This is what we have. At this point it's ready, and this is how it look. Just simple and easy breakfast for everyone. I enjoyed this breakfast a lot and I love the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share. See you in my next one. Bye.